Today on Cream of
the joy of cooking. It's St. Patrick's Day. Let's make Irish coffee.
But first, a full Irish breakfast. Please subscribe. Back to the recipe. Irish coffee.
For Irish coffee, the proper glass is this. I have this. Let's do this.
This mug is 3/4 full of coffee.
1 teaspoon of sugar. One and a half ounces of Jameson whiskey. Stir it up. Whipped cream. Yeah. Woo! It's good. It's good. So this St. Patrick's Day, make my Irish eyes. So this St. Patrick's Day, make my Irish eyes smile and subscribe to my channel. Wash your hands. Wash your hands and subscribe to this channel.